Hello everyone. Today's point of discussion is Clemenson's reduction. Now Clemenson's reduction involve reduction of carbonyl compounds to corresponding or respective hydrocarbons by using zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. Now Clemenson's reduction has very importance in preparing alkyl benzenes especially. Now consider an example. Now ketones are represented as RCOR when these ketones are reduced by zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. Then ketones may get reduced forming the hydrocarbons like this. If ketone is aliphatic, then these ketones may get converted into alkanes. Now very number of chemical examples can be given for that. For example, if at all acetone is taken and it is reduced by using zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, then ultimately reducing agent prefer to undergo self-oxidation, providing nascent hydrogen, and these nascent hydrogen atoms get added to the side, and thereby formation of propane takes place with the departure of water. Now instead of this, if acetophenone, similarly acetophenone when reduced, now acetophenone can be given as, this is acetophenone which happens to be aromatic ketone. When reduced by the same, I mean by using zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, then reducing agent provide nascent hydrogen, provided nascent hydrogen get added to the site, and that lead to the formation of ethyl benzene with the departure of water. So these are some of the examples. Now as far as mechanism of this reaction is concerned, so it is damn simple and very interesting as well. So what happens exactly? Ketones can be represented as, so this is the representation of ketone. We know very well oxygen bear lone pair of electrons, I mean 2 in number. So first of all, what happens? Protonation of the ketone takes place. So ultimately H plus ion, I mean proton, attacks the electron rich oxygen, and that lead to the formation of an intermediate which can be given as. Now the intermediate so obtained is a resonance hybrid, I mean its next canonical or resonating form which can be given is like this. Now that lead to the formation of an intermediate which can be given as, now this carbon bear positive. Now role of metal comes, I mean zinc, which is electropositive. So zinc undergo oxidation producing Zn2 plus, and electrons get liberated in the process of oxidation. These electrons get accepted by the carbon, and due to which newly formed species that can be given in this way. Now our carbon bear negative. Now this carbon is ultimately protonated further, so H plus get attacked to this site, I mean carbon, and this lead to the formation of a species which can be given as, and remember this is alcohol. Now this species so obtained get protonated again. Now proton tend to attack on electron rich oxygen, and due to which protonated alcohol get formed, and that protonated alcohol may be represented as. Now at this point what happens? Oxygen with this pair of electron undergo departure, I mean thereby loss of water takes place, due to which this carbon now carry positive. Now another big thing is, here again this carbon prefer to receive electrons from the metal zinc, and that lead to the formation of an intermediate species. Now in this carbon bear negative charge, So at this point again protonation takes place. So proton subsequently attacks this carbon, and now this lead to the formation of hydrocarbon. If we are reducing aliphatic ketones, then alkanes. If you are reducing phenols, then aromatic hydrocarbon are obtained. So in this way carbonyl compounds can be converted into the corresponding hydrocarbons, and this very famous reduction is named as Clemenson's reduction. Thank you.